so hungry they will even eat mud. Nature can be harsh. This escaped canary is looking nervous. It's having second thoughts about its newfound freedom. It decides to return to its cage. This exotic-looking bird is from a warmer climate, like a tropical jungle or a desert island. It was probably blown across the sea in a freak storm, or else was transported in a crate of coconuts. Finding itself in a Kentish garden, it naturally makes itself at home in this palm tree, where it sucks the juice from the tree through its long nose. This member of the penguin family has some unusual talents. It has hypnotized this wolf, which sits powerless to move. When the penguin has finished picking up grass, it makes a special sound like a fax machine. The wolf regains the power of movement and remembers nothing of the experience. This male and female robin are trying to drink from a pond, but they keep falling in the water. Like all birds, they hate to get their feathers wet. They become more and more furious with each failed attempt. Eventually, they're completely livid. No wonder this turquoise turkey is looking exhausted and has strolled out into the sunshine for a breather. It has just completed the construction of its nest in the woods, which it will soon fill to the brim with fresh eggs. Birds are not very intelligent. Scientists put some seeds in a sealed plastic container to test this bird's ingenuity. Despite there being no way for the bird to access the seed, it continued to peck at the container for several hours with no success whatsoever. No wonder its face is red.